This is the power of vacuum against a crystal geyser plastic water bottle. Just hold the compressor down while I start it. Fork over. Now I just put this in there. Look at that, it flattened it. Awesome. I'm gonna try putting this further up on there. But yeah, now I can put it in my bin. Alternatively, I take it, I just whack in both hands. So yeah. Crushed water bottle. Alright. I'm going to be destroying this plasma TV. I'm going to get some tools. I can take the back off of it. Bits. I don't know where I put the stand for it, so I'm just going to have to leave it like this. Extend over the tripod. There we go. Put a bit on the screwdriver. This Phillips head. So, there's no Phillips bits. Interesting. Should get a dedicated Phillips head. Try again. Span the tripod legs again. Not tight at all. I'm surprised they don't have Loctite on it, but whatever. There's some huge base mount holes. You can mount this to a wall. There's the holes for the stand that goes with it. Has an IEC with computer style high amperage plug on for the power input instead of a figure 8 or Mickey Mouse style plug. So it was manufactured in June of 2010. 327 watts. Jeez.
Jesus Christ, I'm not about.
Let's see. I was going to try to get a new plasma panel for this, but I don't think it's worth that. Even Chinese writing on this, even though it's a Panasonic. Drop the damn driver. See a lot of circuit boards in there. And, yeah, it's got a HDMI audio return channel on it. That's nice. VR cast, local area network stuff. Yeah. Same with my big plasma TV, except that I don't think that has the HDMI ARC on it. It's an earlier model. Alright, how's it? How can you guys see this? Good, very good, very good. Spider webs. First, I'm just going to start taking off this back cover. Let me put it on its base. The side is already cracked. Who cares? Yeah, crack up there. That's interesting. Putting this thing together. It's used for low flying plane up near Santa Monica Airport. Barely just on the helping those out of the model, so. Alright. Looks like just one more screw holding this back cover on. Oh, sure does. There, that's holding on the front bezel. We shall see. Stick it in there. Shit. There goes the fucking tripod. So annoying. Alright, let me put this back up on the stool here.
One here. What up to there?
Where's the proper fucking driver when you need it, eh? Yeah, it comes right off. Just these two here, I'm assuming. I think so. Alright, that's weird. That one comes out, but not the bottom. And I get you some channel lock. Wrench.
So just stick to the screw if I can't get it even messing with. There it goes.
Tight enough that the screwdriver couldn't get it, but not too tight that I couldn't get it with the wrench. Alright, get this thing off. Power button, SD card, mine. I'm using this power socket there. Hey, this is what I was talking about. It's like an IEC lead on the computer. So yeah. So surplus of food now that I can use this stuff. Nice. Can we come off? There's one more screw. How'd I miss that? There we go. Two more here. Who the fuck is calling me? Ignore. Now it's time to torture it. High current lead acid battery, circuit board, battery, circuit board. Now what will happen? Something's sizzling. Oh, did it? Oi. That's still working. That's not. Okay, something's going on there. That's in there. You done? Okay, good. Something in there is kind of wonky. That's working. That's not. Something in this? No. Oh shit. Okay, so I found the problem. Something in that terminal did not like me. But it is fixed. I'm currently frying stuff. Red hot. There she goes. Catch fire, will you? Please, senor, catch fire. It's grounded, okay. Right. Let me dismantle this a little bit further. It is very warm. High current. Low voltage. Low lead acid battery. Surprised that one didn't weld itself. It's crazy. Look at that. More stuff to burn. So rad. Giggity. Appears to be a memory chip. It says Hynix on it. Fire. I set fire to the board. Toasty. Reposition the camera. This is just the DC lead acid battery. Ooh, fire. Shit. That's a ground. That's ground, okay. Screaming. Readjust my tripod. I'm just twisting and all sorts of not good stuff. Here. Whoa. Do hand cam mode. Torturing it. That's coming out of the hole. Get back in there. Was not able to find my high current light transformer, unfortunately, so this will make do. Hand in the way. Let's flip it back over. Do this side again. Because why not? See if I can fry this one. What's under this heat sink? I don't know. Let's see. Disconnect the battery there. Let me just try it. Hang on. Okay. Ooh, a chip and a thermal pad. Nice. Alright, ground. Up to this USB, 2 USB ports. I did not notice that before. Up to the Ethernet port. There's my other one. There it is. Not much on this side. That's working. Oh, let me connect it to an actual ground on this board. This here. There we go. Whoa. Silicon is burning. Hey, Ma. Do you have a moment? Look, I'm setting it on fire now.
Setting it on fire?
Yes, I'm torching it with a battery.
Oh, okay. I thought I was smelling something.
Say hi.
Hi.
Watch. Come closer.
Oh, okay.
It's not gonna hurt you.
Alright.
It's not gonna. Oh, watch.
Oh.
I'm putting it directly on the chip, the die of the chip.
Okay.
Look at that, it just came apart now.
Yeah.
It's on fire now. Ooh, it's liquid now. Liquid metal. It's so high current.
Okay. It's stinky.
Yep. Look, it's melting the chips.
Yeah.
The dye on the chipset there.
Alright, gonna do that to the whole board?
Pretty much. And I'm gonna try to do it to these on the panel.
Alrighty.
Wookie doke. Alright, these need to cool down a bit. This one does. Got hot and melted. Look at that. Come on. Reground it. Wow, that's hot. That's super hot. Find another place to ground it too. Here. I'll ground it here. Damn. Come on. Interesting. Isn't much. I must have burned something up. Oh, grounded it. Okay, disconnected. Reconnect that. Just get in your hole. To quote Happy Gilmore. Nope. Actually, that just comes right off. Ow, that's hot. Oh. Oh, it just came out. God damn. God damn it, Bobby. Damn it, Bobby. You know I'm gonna smell like this for the rest of the day. Whoa. Damn, that's a lot of shit. It'd be better with AC because, what'd you call it? There's no polarity. Ooh, look at that. Smells like burnt hair and meat. And also fiberglass. That's still connected. There's something down there that's catching fire. Can it see? Damn, mosquitoes. I'm gonna put this battery back on charge. Ooh. This smells bad. Ooh, what's catching fire down there? I don't know. Let's see. Lots of sparks. Something's catching fire. What's under this smoke? Looks like I'm welding, minus the welding rods and big transformers with the battery. Ooh, that's on fire now. I say, let there be fire, and lots of it. Hot globs of metal. Ooh, pink smoke. Yay. My hands stink. Oh, whoa. Ooh, pink. Oh, it just went out.
Oh my god, dude.
Big one.
Ooh, sweet.
Look, it's black. Black smoke.
Yeah.
Want to catch fire.
That was definitely a fire.
Look, it's all black and glossy now because I'm melting the print on it and the fiberglass too.
Okay.
That's what these were made out of. If you ever snap an old circuit board in half, it's fiberglass.
Nice.
Did you know that?
No, I don't
Yeah.
think so.
I'll give you a circuit board to break it in half later.
Your dinner's ready.
Oh, okay. Whoa!
Yeah, that's pretty
Black
bad.
particles.
Those are gonna sting.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna take a shower
It
later.
doesn't smell like an electronic campfire.
This is what I wanted. I'm torturing it.
Okay. I'm gonna just close those windows.
Blue flame. Ooh, look at all that stuff.
You want a water bucket to keep handy?
Fire extinguisher, maybe.
No, I think water will be down.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
A little gray. Alright, well, if you do, just grab that.
Yeah. This is what I was doing back at the old house. Circuit board destruction version 2. A little campfire. Right. Look at all that shiny. All that. Wow. That's gonna set fire too. Let that cool off. That's not hot. That's not hot, but this is hot. It's all the power going through it. Yeah. 20 minutes of just that. That plus more. Man, that stinks. Now it smells like burned crackers. Wow. Just hot gloves, fiberglass, and circuit board stuff. Look at that. It's all soot. That's supposed to be like that. It's soft too. It's melty. So let that cool off for a little while. Here's hair. There is hair for some reason. Human hair, not dog hair like that. That is blonde hair. Wow. This is awesome. Catch on fire, will you, bastard? This is fun. I'm gonna put this on charge. A nice big charger for it. Vintage too. Oh. I'm just gonna bend that because that's broken. The panel's broken. There's no fun in that when they're broken. And the glass is cracked anyways. Well, that's weird. Put power over here and it catches fire over there. We're eating high frequency wines. I'm just screaming in agony. Such as that. Just melted. What's going on? I'm sitting on it. There, move my leg. Yay, more fire.
Oh my god, there's black stuff floating around.
Yeah, I know. It's like little particles.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, that's like fiberglass or something.
Okay.
Oh.
You're freezing with
Like ash or something. This will be gone tomorrow. It's pink. Look at that. It's pink. There's a pinkish hue to it. It's weird. Fire. Melted. This book tastes terrible. Fun. Then you're gonna comment like, oh no 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 no. Circuit boards. Torture, ain't it?
Okay. I smell a lot of smoke and stuff.
Yeah, I closed the windows. Yeah.
Wrist.
Oh, those mosquitoes?
Yeah.
Let me go,
Damn mosquitoes.
let me go close the other doors and we'll turn the air on, because they're probably coming in through the patio.
I need someone to smash this with. Let me get a hammer.
Citronella candle.
Huh?
We put a citronella candle in the
Oh,
house.
citronella? It's flickering. Ooh. Found the weak points. Just look at that, it's pink. It's crazy. It must be this whatever the ICs are made of.
Yeah, it is pink. I see it from here now.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
couldn't see it before.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah.
Must be whatever something's made out of.
Something in there.
Kind of like some of the flame is blue
Is
too.
that odor hurting your nose or your lungs?
Nah,
Ooh.
nah, it just smells bad. That's all.
Okay.
But you know how like when you turn on the stove, the flame is blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what this is looking at. There's like the orange flame, and I've seen blue flame.
Okay.
It's interesting. Creating heaps of burned fiberglass and metal. It's molten.
Yeah. Oh god, that's awful, buddy. Yeah.
Looks like I'm overseeing a burn pit at a dump or something. Right, okay, I think that's enough of that for now. Next I'll just bin all this stuff. So yeah. This is very fun to do. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Peace. My fingers are sooty.